Hello everyone, I'm DCG Retrowave. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about this 2009 iMac. Now, in the past for music production, I've used Windows XP PCs. For example, the HP Pavilion A1610N and a custom-built PC I made in late 2021. Both of these were great computers for music production, but unfortunately with the more recent one, that custom-built PC, the motherboard's starting to fail on it, and when I do eventually get it replaced, I kind of want to use it solely for other things like gaming and stuff, playing older PC titles, not music production. I used it for that this time around because that's just what I had to work with, but I kind of want a separate computer just for my music, if that makes sense. And I'm thinking this would actually be a good fit for that. Now you might be wondering, wait a minute, Dallas, that's it? You're just going to drop Windows XP like that in favor of Snow Leopard? No. I've known about Boot Camp for a very long time now. My church actually used it on a few Mac Minis, and they were dual booting Snow Leopard and Windows XP. So why don't we do the same, except we're not going to be dual booting. We're just straight up installing Windows XP on this. Let's get started. Now, if I'm not mistaken, when we power this on, I need to spam the Alt key, I think it is, and then we can select the XP disk. Could be wrong on that, it's been a while, but we'll hope for the best. And in case you're wondering, this keyboard is not original to this iMac. This is actually from a 2003 iMac. I just need it for now because I may need to eject the disk, and you know, Macs don't have an eject button for the disk drive. So anyway, let's see. There's the disk drive. Let's pop this in, and then let's just start spamming the Alt key. You may have already noticed this isn't running OS X as is. It's actually running XP already, but I'm just doing a fresh install. Oh, I heard the disk moving, so maybe it is trying to read it. No, it's just booting XP. Oh, wait a minute, no! It was working. I thought it was going to give me like the prompts, but I think maybe that's... Oh, you know what? That's an OS X thing. Like if it had OS X on it still, it would have given me like the boot menu and stuff, like a Mac. I believe that's how that works. I don't know, it's been so long. Press enter. I obviously agree to this. I think I've actually read through this once, like years ago. Don't repair. Just delete it. Partition 1 Boot Camp NTFS. This is a 640 gig drive. This is gonna take a while to format. Oh, let's delete it. Let's delete it. Oh yeah. Enter install format using regular NTFS, and we're gonna start the time lapse here. Okay, I'm gonna press enter, and then it's gonna go. But I'm gonna make sure I have enough storage on the SD card first. So I'm gonna clip it here, and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so this part of the process is going to take probably 2 hours because Windows XP is really slow with formatting drives. Then again, there is a quick option right there, but we're just going to ignore that. We're going to pretend it doesn't exist, and we're going to go with the slower method for the lulls. So yeah, we're going to start a time lapse, and I mean, hey, this works out for me because I need to go somewhere anyway. Yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so 2 days have passed since I started filming, and I don't know what I'm hearing, but there's something going on in the laundry room right now. Anyway, 2 days have passed, and I needed to stop the video as I had guests over. So I got to the point where the Windows installation asks, like, do you want to adjust the screen resolution to what it thinks your resolution is? Which, if it doesn't have the graphics drivers, it just makes it 800 by 600. And then you do the part where you would have normally heard the Windows welcome music. You set a username and a password, and then it goes from there. Problem: I forced shut off the computer at that point, thinking it would just take me back to that point later, and it didn't. So here we are with 640 by 480. And the installation is complete, and it just thinks I'm administrator. So, yeah, wow. You can tell that 640 by 480 is not ideal for XP. We were definitely beyond that low of a res at this point in time. 800 by 600 even was pretty low for XP. This was very much 1024 by 768 era, or greater, obviously. Alright, so I'm going to switch out the keyboard and mouse because we obviously can't live with a one-button mouse forever. And then we'll get the drivers and everything installed, upgrade to Service Pack 3, or actually, we're going to upgrade to Service Pack 3 first, then install the drivers, and then get some software set up on here so that this machine is usable for music production. Let's get started. Gaming keyboard. Tiny mouse. What a great combination. Oh yes. 1920 by 1200. That looks a lot better. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, that's been on a white screen for a while. I'm a little bit concerned. I just finished rebooting from the SP3 install. Oh, there we go. But yeah, I'm just downloading some things on this Windows 11 laptop that we're going to need to carry over here, including the Mouse-compatible version of Anvil Studio. And when did they pull this from their website? This was up for a long time. Oh, okay, there we are. Download for Windows XP and Vista. Alright, enough of that. Anyway, I'll play it again through the SC55 once I have the drivers installed to connect to that. But, yeah. Anyway, let's hit reboot. It's so good. What am I doing with my eyebrows right now? Anyway. Alright, everybody say goodbye to Piggy. He's been going to the bathroom on my desk, so I think it's time to put him away. Alright, you're gonna go and see your brother again, okay? Or, no, wait, not his brother, actually, it's his son. Never mind. But yeah, here, I'm putting you back with your son now, okay, Piggy? Say goodbye, everyone! And this one, that one's safe. This one's also safe, but not this one. Safe. Okay, that one. This is intense. So that's already touching 2, so this, nopes. Nopes? I mixed no and oops. There we go. So then that means that, oh, we did it! No, not Dallas. Salad. Solitaire, but not normal solitaire. No, we're gonna do Vegas solitaire. I used to do this all the time on an old Pocket PC. Hold on. Deck. Oh, that's beautiful. That was my favorite as a kid. I loved frogs. One of my favorite games growing up was Frogger 2: Swampy's Revenge. Default device, a UM1. And now, just GS reset. The wave just cut off. This thing doesn't have enough polyphony to play this. So that's one advantage the GS wavetable has for this song, but everything else, this thing obviously does better. MIDIs. Alright, I could play MIDIs on this thing all day, but it's time to finish installing things on here. Bob. Microsoft Bob. No, I would not like to automatically start Microsoft Bob every time I boot up Windows XP. That would get very obnoxious. Okay, so let's find Microsoft Bob. What? Uh-oh. Oh no. Please work. Attempting to restart machine. Wait, why? Why? Oh no. Oh no, what happened? Oh, okay. Sure, I guess. That was weird. I don't know what we should actually do here, except add a program. And that program is going to be Bob Balloon, the most useful part of Microsoft Bob, where you can just put this balloon here, and then you can double click it, or can't I double click, or I have to single click it, and then pop it. Oh, okay. You know you're a retro tech nerd when you've intentionally made your website compatible with older web browsers, but then still failed at it because, yeah, everything else works. It's just like, aside from obviously like Spotify and YouTube stuff, but these buttons, for some reason, I've just never been able to get them to align properly. That or I'm just lazy and haven't bothered to figure it out yet. I'm going to do it at some point here because that looks really weird. Okay. Spacebar, right? Turn it down just a little bit because it's really loud. Never check for a new version because there won't be, at least not for Windows XP. And there we are. Now a few things I need to set. All volumes range from 0 to 127. And shortcut keys, actually I can set that later.
Roger, Dark Star. Descend to 2000, set speed, contact ground on 26972.
Roger that, tower.
We have them on radar, sir. They'll be landing in a few moments.
Excellent. See the cancerous swan
the V-Sync
directly to me.
Needs to be enabled.
Tower, Dark Star on final.
What if I could change it without having to restart the game? Start a little bit there, but this is running pretty smoothly. Like, this will be playable, I'm sure.
I can't believe it's come to this. I didn't want to come here.
He left you no choice.
True, but this is the last time. I'm tired of running damage control every time he makes a mess.
Right. You're the control. And if that fails, I'm the damage.
If that's what it takes. But
Fun fact, I've never beaten the PC version of this game. I've only completed it on the original Xbox. But that's because I'm saving it for like the Ultimate XP stuff, which was my my other PC for a while there, but I didn't have an EAX sound card in it. So once I have that in there, which I have, but it caused my system to not power on. Again, like the motherboard and it's failing. So once I have all that figured out, and then I get an even better graphics card, not like it didn't already run at max settings on 1920 by 1200 just perfectly, but once I have the machine up and running again, I'm going to do a full playthrough of this game. Maybe I'll even do that for YouTube, actually. That'd be cool. Although I would obviously run it at 1920 by 1080 so that it's more YouTube appropriate. But yeah, this is
Welcome to Mars.
pretty good.
All new arrivals need to check in at reception.
Welcome to Mars City, Union Aerospace's premier research facility.
This is
To
smooth.
expedite your processing, please proceed directly to reception.
I'm gonna need you to step on one of those red squares on the floor for a bioscan. This'll only take a second. Okay, let me get this started. You're gonna need to hold still. Moving around only makes the test take longer. Alright, bioscan looks good. You're cleared for entry.
I wonder what exactly you got a scan of, but sure. Bringing mankind one step closer to heaven.
This facility serves as
No.
the central hub for all scientific research,
Attention,
archaeological
Director
study,
Banks,
and
please
business.
report to Central Administration.
Welcome to Mars. First time? You can just leave your bag there. I'll have it sent up your quarters. Okay, there's a few things we need to take care of first. This is your personal data assistant. You'll need this to access
I've got a better
secure
one.
areas. If you
Hold
get
on, where is
clearance
it?
for any security zones, it'll download directly. It's important, so don't lose it.
I don't know if the batteries
See
are
here
dead.
that Sergeant Kelly has requested your immediate attention. Head directly to Marine Command. It's just that way. Follow the signs.
Anyway, that's Doom 3. Definitely want to play this on the channel at some point. Whether that be the Xbox version or, you know, on a PC that can run it at max settings. What's the number to call again? So it's 1-888-571-2048.
Hi, thanks for calling the Microsoft Product Activation Service. Pour le français, dites français ou presse 3. To help us improve the quality of our products, services, and training, this call may be recorded or monitored, and information collected on this call may be accessed by Microsoft affiliates.
Why is she talking so
And
fast?
service providers internationally. To consent to recording or monitoring of this call, press 1. To continue without recording or monitoring,
Sure, you can record me. I'm recording you, so.
for security purposes, I need you to repeat the following phrase. 590.
590. Why is it getting this? I've never had this before.
Thank you. Let's see what I can help with. Are you calling to activate Office or Windows? Need help with remote desktop licenses or something else?
I'm activating Windows XP.
Okay, help with activation. Before we start the activation process, are you at your computer with the activation window open?
Yes.
Great. Next, I can send you a link to our smartphone activation experience, which will help guide you through the activation steps on your device. Would it be okay for me to send you that link via text message to the phone number you are calling from?
No. We're just gonna do this on the phone.
Okay, no problem. I can help you activate your product on this call. In order to activate your product, I'll need to confirm your installation ID.
203742.
I believe you said 203742. Is that correct?
Yes. This is so tedious. 197614.
I believe you said 197614. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, great. One moment while I validate your installation ID. Your installation ID was successfully validated. Okay, I have sent you a text with your confirmation ID. Please enter this code, 6 digits at a time, into the empty block near the bottom of your... Sorry about that. Are you trying to activate an embedded version of Windows?
Wait, what do you mean I'm trying to activate? No, I got everything I need. Thank you. There's the confirmation. In case you guys don't believe me, Windows XP can still be activated without having to hack the registry or anything like that. And no, I didn't center the camera on it because I'm just going to zoom back out and go back into the same angle I had before. Well, there you have it, guys. That's Windows XP running on an iMac. Time to install Windows Vista. That's right, I'm not kidding around. Windows Vista is actually going on this iMac in the next video.